Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get a lot of shekels and grow a garden. So first, what you're going to want to do is you're going to join the admin abuse before the update every single week. So an hour before any update. Sometimes the admin will give you free pets, free rare pets that you can trade with people who have a lot of shekels. And for instance, they missed the update or they didn't have the time or they cannot join any server, they will trade with you. Right now we cannot trade shekels, but you can ask for plants that are worth billions and trillions of shekels that you can sell in the shop. Do not sell the pet in the pet egg section because you will not earn a lot of money by doing so. For instance, I got the chicken zombie. I don't know why people rave about this, but I'm still just going to keep mine because people say it's like a really good pet, but people really want this pet, and I got it for free by just joining an admin abuse, and people will trade a lot of shekels for it. But yeah, that is how you can earn a lot of shekels in your garden. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.